HDMI Consumer Electronics Control, or CEC, is a powerful feature that simplifies how you control your entertainment devices. CEC allows you to use a single remote control to operate multiple HDMI connected devices, such as your soundbar, Blu-ray player, or streaming devices. To enable CEC on your Ffalcon TV, you need to navigate through the Settings menu. First, press the Settings button on your remote to access the main Settings menu. Next, navigate to the System option in the Settings menu. This is where you'll find the CEC controls. In the System menu, look for Consumer Electronic Control, or CEC. The exact wording may vary, but it will be clearly labeled as CEC or Consumer Electronic Control. Finally, enable HDMI control within the CEC settings. This will activate the CEC functionality and allow your devices to communicate with each other. Once enabled, your Ffalcon TV can communicate with other HDMI-connected devices. Here's how a typical setup looks with CEC enabled. Keep in mind that CEC implementations can vary between manufacturers, so you may experience compatibility issues with some devices. If problems occur, you can always disable CEC and use individual remotes instead. HDMI CEC is a communication protocol that allows devices connected through HDMI cables to control each other. Instead of needing separate remotes for each device, CEC enables your TV remote to control your soundbar, Blu-ray player, and other connected devices. Here's how HDMI CEC works in practice. When you connect multiple devices like a soundbar and gaming console to your TV, they can all communicate through the HDMI cables using a dedicated control wire built into each HDMI connection. HDMI CEC enables two key convenience features. One Touch Play automatically switches your TV to the correct input when you turn on a connected device. Auto Standby turns off all connected devices when you power down your TV, helping save energy. Different TV manufacturers use their own marketing names for HDMI CEC, but they all refer to the same underlying technology. LG calls it SimpLink, Samsung uses AnyNet Plus, Sony brands it as Bravia Sync, and other manufacturers have their own names. However, HDMI CEC has several important limitations. The protocol has slow transfer speeds, which can cause noticeable delays when sending commands between devices. This makes the system feel sluggish compared to using individual remotes. Many users experience frustrating problems with HDMI CEC. Devices may switch inputs unexpectedly, turn on or off at unwanted times, or fail to respond to commands. These issues often occur after software updates or when mixing devices from different manufacturers. Due to these limitations, you may still need to keep the original remote controls for your devices. HDMI CEC typically only supports basic functions like power and input switching. For advanced features like picture settings, audio modes, or device-specific functions, the original remote is often required.